buksan na natin itong
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today is a very special video because first time you've made this meal. And this, guys, this isn't just a meal. This is a British institution. This breakfast is so popular. Restaurants, pubs in England and Scotland, Wales, they serve this all day. Even though it's a breakfast, the time is 3:15 and we're having it first meal. Let's get in. Cayenne Tayo. You've done a really good job. I can tell. I like to mix everything together. All the elements in one go. Yeah, I do.
Oh, you put that in one go?
Yeah, you can mix it all together. Doesn't necessarily stand the fork. That's delicious.
Is it? You like it?
Yeah. Pork sausage.
I like this one.
High quality pork sausage.
Sarap. Masarap.
Masarap. The full English breakfast was popular from the Edwardian period until now. So it's about 200 years.
This one is nice.
Yeah, the blood sausage or black pudding, whatever you want to call it.
Mushroom.
This reminds me of a little bit of the Philippines food because you have the Langalisa, the tapa, the beef tapa.
Yeah, beef tapa. Try this one. Ta-da!
You got the fried bread.
This one is nice.
Oh yeah, the fried bread's delicious. Some people have it different variations, don't they? Some people have it with hash browns, but
What is hash brown?
Hash brown is potato, I think, with onion. It's more of an American thing though.
I like this one, the black.
Yeah, this is a really traditional.
Blood, I like blood. Vampire.
Delicious. It tastes a little bit like, well, I don't know if it does actually. It tastes like dinuguan. Reminds me.
I like this one.
Yeah, it reminds me of dinuguan a little bit.
You like it?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Of course it's your pudding.
That's just delicious food. You spent a long time cooking.
Is it?
Worth it though.
This one is nice, this one. The blood. This one I like more. Black pudding.
Yeah, the black pudding is really delicious. Look at that. Oh, we're not talking to people, are we? We're so sorry, guys. We're so busy eating. Let us know in the comments if you think of what you think of my wife Shirley's first try at making this meal.
This is nice.
It's delicious. Let me know in the comments, how do you make your English breakfast And if you're not from England, let me know in the comments, what's your breakfast that you have in your country that's your big traditional, well, this is called a fry up, but maybe you have something similar in your country. Let us know in the comments, because we'd like to know. We'd like to try all the breakfasts from all parts of the world. But as I mentioned earlier, this isn't just a meal that you can have for breakfast. Even though it's an all-day breakfast, you tend to have this as your first meal of the day. Can be any time though.
Yeah. I noticed I feel hungry. I'm hungry.
I was hungry when I started eating this. It just looks so beautiful. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. Again, like I said, let us know in the comments, give us a like, share this video, try this dish because I recommend it. It's absolutely delicious. Alright guys, until the next video, take care and get Kayo.
Bye bye.